The only feature left to discuss in our walkthrough today is Gamic's integrated wallet service. We can access this feature by heading back to the wallet icon. We've included this feature so Web3 users don't have to leave our platform in order to manage their crypto assets. If you opted to sign up with a wallet, it would be represented here through our interface. If you sign up with social media credentials, as we just did, Gamic will automatically create a non-custodial wallet for you. In either case, our platform currently supports sending, receiving, and swapping a plethora of cryptocurrencies on the Ethereum, Binance, and Polygon blockchains. Stay tuned for a number of upcoming features, like the ability to buy and sell assets, including NFTs, as well as support for more blockchains. All right, that concludes our walkthrough of Gamic. We hope this basic overview can help you get started on the platform and that you can begin building and joining strong online communities. For more on what's to come at Gamic and to view upcoming tutorials on our more advanced features, please follow our socials linked below. Welcome to the Gamic community.